my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today I am finally sharing my Sephora VIB sale haul. I've had the Sephora order sitting here right next to me, right next to the box of shame for many, many weeks now. It just kept getting pushed back in order to post videos about other things. And today I say no more of that. Not only is it annoying me that it's just been sitting here staring at me, judging me for not filming it, I am now out of 2 of the products completely that I ordered replacements for in this haul. So I feel like that's a good place for us to start. First of all, can't live without it. It's my favorite sunscreen. This is from the Inky list. It's their dewy sunscreen. I wear this every single day of my life. I can't stress that enough. I finally ran out completely of my last tube, so I had to film this because I need my replacement sunscreen ASAP. Love it, need it, have to have it, don't need to review it, already know I love it. This is the Sunshine Skin Tint from Milk Makeup. Say that 10 times fast. I use the shade Light. My previous one was completely gone, so it's time for a new one, and I am so happy to have a replacement. This is another product I use a lot. I think it kind of speaks for itself that I have used up one of these. I love it. It mixes well with other things. It looks great on its own. It's comfy. It has a little bit of additional SPF in there, which it's never going to hurt my feelings. You see this pasty little pale face? I need as much SPF protection as I can feasibly wear. So glad to have a replacement of this as well. I do have another face product. This actually wasn't in my what's on my wish list video. This is something that I purchased because my friend Amy Loves Makeup loves this. Her excitement and dedication to this product made me want to try it, and she and I have very similar tastes as far as like base makeup goes. We both like glowy, dewy, hydrating things. So because of her, I picked up this yummy skin tint from Danessa Myrix. This is a serum skin tint. I got the shade 2. I am wearing it right now, and I did film a bunch of these products going onto my face, so you will get to see the yummy skin tint in action. I really love the squeezy tube packaging on the Danessa Myrix Yummy Skin Tint. I think this is so convenient for travel. I can dispense just as much as I want when it's actually a squeezy and not a pump, which I don't mind the pump either. It's fine, but this is just such a high level of controlling how much product you disperse. And as you can see, when I did my little patch test, if you just use a little bit of this, it can completely blend into the skin. I want to see how much coverage I can actually get out of this product. So I use about a half of a pea-sized amount for half of my face. And I'm just blending this in with my fingertip. I do want to mention I'm not having the best time with my skin right now. It's recovering from a little bit of an allergic reaction, and it's also gotten a lot colder and drier here recently. So my dryness is at an all-time high at the moment. It's actually starting to bounce back since filming this, but I know that the texture here is not necessarily the fault of this product. It really is my skin just not being at its best, and that sometimes happens. You know, I think we've all been there. But when you look at this just super quick application side by side, one half of my face has the product and the other is just bare skin, you can see that this has a really nice light to medium buildable coverage, and it is super skin-like. It's definitely a hydrated glowy skin look, but it's not shimmery and metallic type of glowy. It's definitely just like, hey, my skin is not thirsty and parched type of glowy, which I love. Even with my less than desirable skin texture that's going on right now, this product looks really natural and skin-like with just the right amount of coverage. I like to see some of my natural skin peeking through, so this is checking all the boxes for me. I really like it so far. I love blush, and every once in a while I like to be a fancy lady. I like a little bougie blush every now and again. So I did buy this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Blush Duo. This is fancy. This has the shade Euphoric, which is peachy pink with shimmer, and Amore, which is a rosy pink matte shade. And it comes in this fancy schmancy box. Love being schmancy. I did wear both of these today. I could not choose, so I layered them both. No regrets.
I'm actually going to use both of these blushes, but I'm not just going to dip into both and mix them together. I'm actually going to apply them one at a time and layer them up using the deeper matte shade as my main blush shade. As you see here, I'm starting towards the back of my cheekbone near my hairline and blending down and out a little bit. I really want to keep the color concentrated further back. This is just the style I've been going for lately, and I think that it's really flattering, especially when I'm not wearing any bronzer or any other cheek color. So I just applied my initial blush with my usual blush brush. And then I took a little bit of the shimmery peach shade called Euphoric and put that on top, sort of as a blush topper all over, but concentrating more towards the very top of my cheekbone, close to my eye socket, so that it's almost like a highlighter and blush topper in one. But I'm not using any other cheek colors at all. I'm not going to add bronzer, highlighter, contour, or anything like that. So these blushes are really doing all of the work as far as warming up and adding some life into the face. And I just did the lightest little dusting here. These could easily be built up for a more dramatic cheek look if that's what I wanted to do. But the skin texture is not really calling for a whole lot on the face today. And I'm very, very pleased with how this cheek turned out.
This one's kind of a new product, mostly not a new product to me. This is a new holiday limited edition scent of my beloved Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. This is a peppermint scent, and I have to tell you, I am happy to report, while this does have a minty fresh scent, it does not tingle. There's no plumping, there's no stinging, there's no minty tingles. I really don't like that. That's something just personally that I cannot tolerate in a lip product. So I'm happy to report that this only smells festive, does not plumping. This is not stingy. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. Next, I have a fragrance. I picked up this Vanilla Skin Hair and Body Fragrance Mist, and I haven't smelled it yet. Oh, it smells amazing. Hold on, let me spritz myself. It smells so good. It's definitely just your classic warm, sweet vanilla scent. I love that. I am all about that warm vanilla sugar life. If you know, you know. And this is definitely a little bit more mature version of that. I'm gonna wear this and love this and layer it with some bougie perfumes. And this is a big old jug too. This is a big bottle of this mist. Fragrance is one of those things that I have to use for a while before I really decide how I feel about it. But we are off to a good start. Initial first impression is good on that one. Very last thing in my haul is this Sephora Favorites kit. This is the Sparkly Clean Favorites. And I did try out a bunch of these products today as well. So let's cut back to unfinished makeup Amanda. She can take you through everything in this bag.
This set has 6 products, 4 of which are in their full-size format, and I just think that is such a great deal, especially since I was able to pick this up on sale.
First thing is Cactus Water Cleansing Lactic Acid Toner from Freck Beauty. Used twice daily. My skin hasn't been living its best life lately, so I'm not introducing any new skincare products right now, but we'll see. I have this Say blush. This is the blush, right? Yeah, dewy blush. I already have 2 blushes on, so I am not going to put this on. The shade's called Chili. I love these big fat doe foot applicators for just about everything. Let's just see what it looks like. So it's like a cool rosy pink. Just do a little blend out to get an idea. Feels nice, looks cute. Looks kind of similar to the color I'm already wearing, so at least I know I'll like it. I've got 2 lip products. This one is from Klarity. It's called Taco Tuesday, but it's a plumping lip gloss, so not really my favorite, probably. I'm not a big fan of lip plumping products, especially if they're tingly. Let's just do a little swatch. Color looks pretty though. It's a nice warm little terracotta nude color. Looks cute. Definitely like the shade. And then I have this Merit lipstick in the shade Le Avenue that I am going to wear. Let me wipe off some of this Laneige lip balm. Beautiful. Nice toasty red brown nude color, which I love. Ooh, and this Kosas clear brow gel. I put on a little brow pencil, but I knew there was a gel in this set. So I do not have any brow gel on yet. Let's try it out. Smells kind of weird, but it's brow gel for you, I guess. Okay, let me go put on some eyeshadow and then I'll BRB.
The very last item in this set is this Rose Ink mascara. I very much like this wand. The formula itself was a little bit on the drier side, so it did need some building up to get my desired result, but here it is applied to one eye and not the other. That way you can see the difference. This definitely gave me more length than volume, although it does really nicely define my lashes. They're not clumpy, they look really wispy and natural, so I like that finished result.
I feel like this was a very successful Sephora haul. I only went off script for that one Danessa Myrix Yummy Skin Tint, but otherwise I really stuck to the things that I either knew I needed to replace or that I really, really was wanting from my wish list. I can't believe I didn't buy any eyeshadow palettes, but I have just been much more intrigued by the indie brand offerings for eyeshadow this year. So it will be interesting to see how that plays out for my end of the year favorites. In general, I'm very pleased. It seems like there are no duds here. I do need to keep wearing the fragrance and testing out a couple of the newer to me things, but everything feels promising. Everything feels like something I'm going to enjoy using and feel excited about. And that's really what I'm looking for when I'm actually going out and shelling out the big bucks at Sephora. I don't even think I can pick a favorite. I suppose if I had to pick a favorite thing, it would be those Armani blushes, but the skin tint is lovely. I really like the full-size Merit lip color that came in the favorites set. Everything seems to be working out really well so far. Now's the time when I want to hear what you think about my haul. Did I pick the things that you suggested from my What's on My Loves List video? What do you think I need to add to my loves list next? I always love to hear what you think about things too, so make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! My other replacement product, this is the Sunshine. Dang it. Ma'am, can you just, can you, thank you. Thank you so much. Struggle bus. That's not what it's called. We are, what was that? Can't believe I didn't buy any eyeshadow palettes. I did not get excited about many mainstream eyeshadow offerings this year. I was really an indie eyeshadow girl, if you know what I mean. Well, let me tell you, I've got a lot going on. You've probably already noticed I have already started uploading extra videos. There are going to be extra videos all through the end of the year. There's going to be so many collaboration videos in December. I'm excited. I'm a little overwhelmed. I'm nervous and happy. I'm also going on a trip. I've got a lot on my plate. I've got a lot on my plate right now. It's all good stuff. It's just all still also has to get done. You know, I think that's sort of the paradox of being an adult. It's like you get to do cool stuff, but also you have to do stuff. All right. Gonna go film some more videos and edit some more videos and then film some more videos and then edit some more videos until the end of the year. Wish me luck. Doing great. Doing great. Wowzers. What? Thank goodness I like these because they're so expensive. Would be extra mad if I didn't like them because I paid 60 bucks. Well, not really. I got them on sale. Obviously. Obviously. We don't need you to tell us the obvious things, Amanda. My dog's going to start barking now because there's a delivery driver here. So see you later. All right, love your face. Bye.